Hello.
Uptown Swing.
This was level 4, partnering. Brian, Val. This was kind of like a philosophical exploration a little bit. You had to be there, but in short, we essentially asked people of both roles, what do they like about the other role? Like, what is it, like we asked followers, what do leaders do that they are like, this is so cool, this is why I enjoy dancing with these people, and vice versa.
Same for the leaders to the followers.
Yeah.
We got some great ideas, so talk to the people who were there.
Yeah, so there are some common themes. We talked about momentum, talked about paying attention to each other. This is kind of like, this keeps coming back.
It was couples therapy.
Yeah, yeah. You had to be there, there was more to it. And then as we were exploring different ways to kind of like illustrate that in dance.
Two really concrete things. One was scissor kicks for the followers, and followers were putting scissor kicks kind of all over the dance.
Anywhere, yeah.
And leaders, you were dealing with it, and you were kind of managing how it felt.
And maintaining that nice and flowy type of like momentum.
Yeah. And then we did a little variation. Val's going to show her variation here. I'll do a send out. Hey, hey, We showed you where that fits in instead of the variation, the underlying move, and then we talked about how that variation makes for different choices.
For leaders.
Yeah.
Like, what's next?
And that's what we did. So thanks. Bye.